Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage. Today we're taking a look at the Vigilante Hood Protector from Stampede, which protects your truck from unwanted bugs and debris, but also gives you a little bit of that custom style. Each Vigilante Hood Protector is custom fit to your specific year, make, and model. These hood protectors are made from a high-impact acrylic for long-lasting durability for all of your adventures. There is a range of Vigilante Hood Protector finishes, so you can find a high-resolution graphic that matches the personality of your ride. Each design is also UV and scratch resistant, so they stay looking brand new from time to come. This installation is super straightforward and easy, so we rate this a 1 out of 10 and take you about 30 minutes to complete it. The Vigilante Hood Protector from Stampede is proudly made in the USA and backed with a limited lifetime warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Vigilante Hood Protector from Stampede. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator, where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.